The Dushi VIP card takes me to do so many fun things. Today, I'm going on a SUP tour.
Hi, I'm Shivia. Exploring Curacao and the world is my passion. So dive in with me as I show you around.
We are here at Windsurfing Curacao at Spanish Water, and today is the perfect day for a SUP tour. That stands for stand-up paddleboarding. It's my first time doing it, and it's either gonna be really fun or really funny.
The SUP tour started with instructions from my guide, Steffi. She kindly explained how to row and make different turns while standing on the board. We then took a dinghy to the starting point, a place near Santa Barbara Plantation where it is nice and calm for a beginner. I first started sitting down and slowly built up the confidence to really do stand-up paddleboarding. My favorite part of the tour was chilling in the love tunnel. Steffi brought water and granola bars for us to eat. It was quiet, peaceful, and relaxing. We were able to take a little SUP break and have a nice conversation while there. After the love tunnel came the more difficult part. It was like I graduated from beginner and started the intermediate level right away. We crossed the Spanish waters from Santa Barbara back to Windsurfing Curacao. Though it wasn't too hard, I was still too scared to do it while standing. So I did some more of what I call SDP, sit-down paddleboarding.
The SUP tour was great. I was able to stand up 4 times, which is a great accomplishment for a beginner. And with a 20% discount from the Dushi VIP card, it's just the thing to do.